The Melanated Schoolhouse.
I love math.
This is an equation. Equations are used to find the answer or to show that both sides of the equation are equal. Zero plus zero equals zero. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 0 plus 1 equals 1. 0 plus 1 equals 1. 0 plus 2 equals 2. 0 plus 2 equals 2. 0 plus 3 equals 3. 0 plus 3 equals 3. 0 plus 4 equals 4. 0 plus 4 equals 4. 0 plus 5 equals 5. 0 plus 5 equals 5. 0 plus 6 equals 6. 0 plus 6 equals 6. 0 plus 7 equals 7. 0 plus 7 equals 7. 0 plus 8 equals 8. 0 plus 8 equals 8. 0 plus 9 equals 9. 0 plus 9 equals 9. 0 plus 10 equals 10. 0 plus 10 equals 10. 0 plus 11 equals 11. 0 plus 11 equals 11. 0 plus 12 equals 12. 0 plus 12 equals 12.
The Melanated Schoolhouse.
Make sure you subscribe and hit the like button below.